In this video, I'll be going over how to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. To convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, the formula is Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 1.8. Now, the approximation that you can do it in your head would be Fahrenheit minus 30 divided by 2. So the approximation is when you want to briefly estimate just in your head what the Celsius would be from Fahrenheit. Below are 3 examples, and we're going to go ahead and do the precise and then approximate version. For the first example, 65 Fahrenheit, we would write out as 65 minus 32, then divide by 1.8. And 65 minus 32, we have 33. Then divide by 1.8. That equals 18.3 Celsius. And that's the precise Celsius. Now, if you're doing this in your head, and we're going to do the approximation, we would take 65 minus 30, because you can kind of do that in your head. 65 minus 30 is 35. And then divide by 2, it will be 17.5 Celsius. Now, it's a small difference between 18.3 and 17.5, but the 17.5 kind of gives you an idea of what the Celsius value is. Now, for the second example, we have 35 Fahrenheit. So we'll take 35 Fahrenheit minus 32, then divide by 1.8. And that will become 3 divided by 1.8, which is 1.67 Celsius. Now, if we do the approximation, taking the same 35 minus 30 divided by 2, we will have 5 divided by 2, and our approximation is 2.5 Celsius. Now for the third example, we have 98 Fahrenheit. So 98 minus 32 divided by 1.8, we have 66 divided by 1.8, which equals 36.67 Celsius. And if we're doing in our head, 98 Fahrenheit minus 30 divided by 2, so that's 68 divided by 2, so approximate is 34 Celsius. So these 3 are examples of how you would convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, either by the precise method or approximation in your head. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.